and welcome back to my channel, or welcome here if you're new. My name is Lateria. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I hope that you'll stick around by hitting that subscribe button. So as you guys can tell by the title, today I'm going to be sharing with you guys some statement earrings that I recently picked up. I feel like statement earrings are just as important as the shoes that you wear, because they can take shoes and earrings can take any basic outfit and just bump it up a notch. And I'm a girl who likes really big earrings, as you can tell. I like for my earrings to really own up to their name statement. So I'm going to be sharing with y'all a few that I picked up. These are not all of them. These are just the ones that I most recently picked up. They all can't fit here because I don't have any more hangers. I need to order some, but I will link below this little hanger rack, as well as the earrings that I can find a link for. I will link those down in the description for you guys as well. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Well, these first pair of earrings are my absolute favorite. I got them from this Instagram boutique called Shop If You Dare, and she has amazing bold statement earrings on her website. I actually have these in silver as well, but they're in the car. But she has the most boldest, most cute, most unique earrings, and I absolutely love these. I get so many compliments when I wear these because they make a statement. Like, that's the first thing you see kind of when you see me approaching you. You can probably see them from afar, but I absolutely love these earrings. I love gold. And me, I will wear a gold one and a silver one together. I love mixing metals as well, but these are just some really cute, big, bold hoops. You can take these apart. I take them apart and wipe them off, and you can just stick them back together. But they're not heavy. They're very lightweight. They're not too heavy on the ear. They're very comfortable. I would just say, if you do a lot of movement, if you get these, just kind of be careful, because a whole bunch of movement can cause them to fall apart, but not break to where you can't put them back together. But yeah, these are so cute. I've worn these on vacation. I've wore them just pretty much with anything that I can think of. But yeah, I love these. Now these, honey, these give elegance. They give class. They give dinner party. They give black tie event. I absolutely love these. I actually wore these on my birthday. If you haven't watched my birthday vlog, it's in the cards. But yeah, I got these off of Amazon, and I thought these were so cute. I like earrings that kind of dangle like this. And for the look that I was going for, these were perfect. But I would wear this with pretty much anything, but more so I pair them with a really elegant gown, or just a really something cute that's form-fitting or flowy. It's gonna go perfect with anything black. But yeah, these are so cute. As well as the last ones, these are very lightweight. I haven't had any problems with these. They're not heavy. They don't, cut you or anything like that. I think they're just a perfect statement earring that you can kind of wear with anything. All white, all black, whatever color you can pair with these. But yeah, these are super cute. Now these are really cute. I got them because of the little feather detail on them. They're not as big as I would like. I would love for the feather to just really be big and bold, but I think this is so cute how there's so many different contrasts and different colors in here. Let me get a little closer for y'all to see. But I love how there's so many different colors and contrasts to this earring. I feel like you can really go out on an outfit with something like this, so that these can make a statement. But I see how cute the little, I just love the busy earring, and to me that's what makes this a statement earring, even though it's not super big and super like just all out like boom. I feel like the fact that it's busy and it's got all these different characters to it, it's a perfect earring. I've worn these one time. I didn't really know what to pair them with, but I got these off of Amazon, and when I saw the feathers on it, I was like, oh, I gotta have that earring. I saw some other ones that I'm gonna get that's like real big feathers. Just was drawn to all the different little details that came with this earring, but I think it's so cute. I would wear it with a cute sundress, or even a top like this with some shorts, and just kind of just do me and just be bold. And I definitely pair it with a pink lip that kind of like, matches this color pink, and put some blue eyeliner. Like, I would just do, I'm giving my own self ideas as I'm talking about it. But yeah, I think these are really, really cute, and I can't wait to really style them. I haven't thought to style them yet. I just wore them one Sunday to church. But yeah, these are cute. Now these are really fun. I saw these on Etsy, and who doesn't love a good color block? Like, who just doesn't? And I feel like they're a statement for the simple fact is that they color block, and I love that. I love the orange with the different tones of pinks, and I just think it's really cute. You can wear it with all pink, you can wear it with all orange, you can wear it with all white. Like, I love how, and it's got that little link effect. I thought these were really cute when I saw them. I wish they were really long. Like, if they had more links to it, I think it would be just, listen, statement on top of statement. But I was just casually shopping for earrings. I saw this and was like, yeah, I gotta get those. Like, I don't really have colors like this in my closet. I don't own like orange and this type of cute fun, like, what's this, probably like a salmon type of color. I don't really own those type of colors in my closet, but I thought these were just so cute, and I just could not pass them up. But yeah, cute. Yeah, what y'all think about these? I think that they're so cute. I wore these to an event that I was invited to last year, and I wore it with this emerald green jumpsuit, and I got so many compliments, y'all. Everybody was like, girl, you look cute. Like, we love how you threw it together, paired it together. So I thought these are really cute. I got these from Amazon, and I got them for that very reason. It's because I was going to an event, and I found this very cute jumpsuit off a Pretty Little Thing, and I was like, how can I want to add like some statement colors to it. Like, let's put some color in it. And as I was on there just shopping for statement earrings, these popped out, and I saw that little emerald, and I was like, oh, it's got the little pink. And so I wore a pink lip with this in that emerald green jumpsuit. Was too cute. Like, I really did my thing. So I think these are so cute, y'all. These are just really cute, fun earrings that I think you can wear in any season, definitely given spring. So I can't wait to wear them this spring season. Spring is my favorite season, so I can't wait to wear them this spring and summer. But yeah, y'all, what do y'all think about these? Now wait just one moment. You want to talk about a statement earring? I think this is the definition of a statement earring. Like, I think this earring is just really just in your face. Like, this is the ensemble right here. I feel like this earring is the ensemble. I got this from a Instagram boutique named, I'll put it on the screen because I can't really pronounce it, but I think it's Essentials of Xterra. I don't know. I'll put it right here on the screen. But I was just scrolling on Instagram. You know how stuff just pops up on the Explore page. I'm about to say For You page. You know how stuff just pops up on your Explore page. And I saw these. I was like, oh, I got to have them. My little like statement earrings since it started tingling. I was like, oh, I got to get those, baby. But yes, y'all, I love these. I think these are so cute. I don't wear these all the time because I feel like earrings like this, you really need to take care of them. Like, constantly wearing them can probably like wear the color down. Let me take it off and show you. Like, you want to be careful with it because it's the way it's connected as well. Like, it has this little chain thing that's connecting the two. So this is not something that I would just constantly go to and pick up and wear. Like, I want this to be the type of earring that I wear when I'm going somewhere, or like, you know, to like a wedding or something like that, a type of event. I would wear these, but not to just be constantly picking up and putting them on. Like, you want to take care of them because these are, in my opinion, some delicate earrings that you got to really take care of. But yeah, I love these. I think I've worn them one time. I don't know where I'm gonna wear them again, but they're there when I need them. They're there when I need them. Y'all, I'm not gonna even hold y'all. I've been wearing these like crazy. I would pair these with brown. I'll pair these with like a tan. I've been wearing these earrings like crazy. Like, it's something about these that just really, I don't know. I love these earrings. I love these earrings a lot, y'all. And any chance that I get, I'm gonna put them on. It ain't too much can go with these green, but I wear them all the time, y'all. I grab them. I know people like, girl, that earring don't even go with that color. But to me, it do. To me, it do. It's a statement. Like, I literally use these as a statement. It's that statement color. So these are really cute, y'all. I got these off of Amazon. And like always, just, you know, Amazon will suggest you stuff. You buy one thing and they gonna suggest something else to you. And so they suggested these earrings, I guess, based off my search. And I was like,
yes, thank you, Amazon.
I do want those earrings. Let's add those to my cart. And ever since I've been having these, y'all, I wear them all the time. I think I wore these last week to church. I think. But y'all wear these earrings all the time. And I know I need to take care of them because these little, you know, tassels at the bottom, I don't want them to get all worn out, but they're so cute. I like the different contrasts of the, what y'all call these? I guess it's like geometric. Yeah, I think it's a little geometric, gems on it. But it's so cute, y'all. I'm gonna put some real effort into an outfit for these. But y'all, these are possibly my favorite earrings out of a whole bunch outside of these big gold ones. I wear these all the time and I love them. I absolutely love them. I think I created a whole reel around these earrings because I love these so much. But what do y'all think about these? What would y'all pair like this kind of green with? Give me some outfit ideas because I would love to know how y'all would pair them. But yeah, these are my go-tos. I reach for these. And if I don't have an outfit, I'm going to show make one so I can wear them. Now, y'all, these are the last pair that I'm going to share with y'all. I don't know why I bought them. Like, I'm not saying they're ugly, that I don't like them. I just don't know how to pair them. But I bought these from Etsy. It was when I bought those orange ones. They suggested these to me. I was like, oh, those are unique. And they come in different colors. I'll put that on the screen, the different colors they come in. But yeah, they came in different colors. And just something about these just kind of stood out to me. Even though I had no idea how I would style them, I went ahead and got them. And I like them. I think they're really cute. I think they're unique. It's a lightning bolt. Like, when people say, oh girl, your earrings is a lightning bolt, that's cute. That's what I thought in my mind the reactions would be with wearing these. But I don't know, because I haven't really worn them. I think I wore them one time to church and I paired them with just a button down shirt and some I guess like some wide leg pants, but I didn't really like how the outfit looked, and I had braids too, so I don't know. I guess I just didn't put enough effort, but I think they're really cute. And if you guys have any suggestions of how to pair them, please let me know. The only thing I can think of is to wear like all black fit, like something all black and leather. But I don't know. Y'all give me some suggestions on how to wear them. But yeah, I think they're cute though. I think they're made really well. They're durable. They don't hurt at all. Like, you kind of don't feel them there. Like, you can feel a little bit that it's moving, but other than that, I think they stand out on their own. But yeah, I like them. What y'all think? Okay, so those are all of the statement earrings that I have for you guys. Make sure that you comment below which one is your favorite. I'm going to do my best to link all the ones that I can in the description box. If I can't find a link for it, I'll be sure to list the name of the company and where I got them from. But as always, thank you so much for journeying with me. Until next time.